Alert, alert, alert! SVR probably. Definitely! Ow. Oh,
The
crap.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m.
Yes, this is definitely a new
At 3:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elkton, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Also, we're back in the room.
Impact,
School
damage
ended.
to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Norristown, Chester, West Norton,
Got my local
East
access
Norton,
channel for
Pennsville,
TV
Yep,
alert.
Westtown, Carneys Point,
Why not?
Conshohocken, Fulka, Ambler, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, and Paulsboro. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 320 and 340. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 26.
39 again.
Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 15, and between mile markers 20 and 29. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 0 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 349. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 14.
God, yeah, this is one hand.
Interstate
Here's my main hand, too.
676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for North.
That's what happens when you exceed your time limit, idiot.
A tornado warning.